Hello everybody, there's a video posting right now, but I just wanted to, okay, this is just a separate video, but I'm just telling you, I'm gonna be a little dairy because it could go wrong, but it could go also right, and it's probably gonna go right. Like, I really like this sound effect. It's not like I'm gonna use it, I'm not gonna use it, I'm just gonna use it in this video. Or maybe, I don't know, I never said a bad word in my life. So I'm never gonna say a bad word, and I'm never gonna say a bad word in my life. I'm never gonna say. So instead of saying a bad word, I'm just gonna yell out my email. But the sound effect is gonna be on top of it. And you guys are not gonna know what I'm gonna say. So 3, 2, 1, go. See? You didn't figure it out, right? But guys, that was it. And yeah.